Title: A Home Worth Fighting For. This story begins with a fight. A nest box becomes the center of a territorial battle. Two birds compete for control because this space means survival. This is the fight for building nest between endangered bluebird and a brown bird. After an intense clash, one bird drives the other away. The box is claimed. The bluebird returns again and again, guarding the location. Soon, a female joins him. The male bluebird is more dark in color compared to the female bird. Now, the purpose changes, from defense to building a home. Together, they begin constructing the nest inside the box. Dry grass, small twigs, and soft materials are brought in piece by piece, day and night. The empty space slowly transforms into a safe place for new life. Then, the first egg appears, followed by another and another, until there are 4 eggs in total. Each one laid on a different day. The mother remains in the nest, keeping the eggs warm and give protection. The father stays nearby, alert and watchful. It also brings food to the mother bluebird. Everything depends on this stage. After days of waiting, the first egg hatches. Then a second. 2 fragile chicks emerge, completely dependent on their parents. From this moment, the work never stops. The male searches for food, flying out repeatedly to gather insects. The female stays close, feeding the chicks and protecting the nest. Each plays a vital role. With every passing day, the chicks grow stronger. Not all eggs hatch. This is the reality. But even a few survivors make a difference. Inside a simple nest box, new life begins. For species under pressure, a safe place like this can change everything. In the end, 2 chicks survive, and that is a step forward.